Planning a meal. The guide to prepare perfect meals. Contents. Dieting. What's dieting? Dieting is when you limit yourself to little amounts or particular types of foods. Before starting a diet, you need to plan everything. Skin routine, night routine, how much times you're going to eat a day, and what you're going to eat a day. Some people, when starting a diet, think that starving yourself is the way to lose weight. Yes, you will lose weight, but this is very dangerous. It isn't good for your physical and mental health. Without your daily needs of vitamins and minerals, your body can't function well. Portions. What are portions? Portions are a part of a whole. If you still don't get what they are, I will give you an example. Imagine I'm on a diet and I want to make a meal. I provide all the food, check the calories, I take a portion of each of my food and put them on the plate depending on the calories intake and carbs intake. Portions are a big part of a healthy diet, so it's very important to get the right proportions onto your plate. Schedule. Schedule your things. You need to schedule. When am I going to eat? How much times a day do I need to eat? 3 to 6 small meals a day with about 350 to 400 calories, or 3 large, big meals depending on what you want, and then at least exercise 4 to 5 times a week. And once you start dieting, you have to take things seriously. Planning the right calories intake. Calories are the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. A human calorie requirement is 2,000 calories a day for a woman and 2,500 for men. It can be different depending on their age. Imagine I'm at breakfast. I get some white bread and 1 large fried egg. If I was a woman, I would have the average of 2,000 calories a day, so I would take off my breakfast calories would equal 1,745 calories. But that's wrong. If you're on a diet, you need to cut off some average calories, 2,000 to 1,500. I am tracking my daily intake. Foods to avoid. French fries and potato chips. Sugary drinks. Nuggets. White bread. Candy bars. Most fruit juices. Pastries, cookies, and cakes. Some types of alcohol, especially beer. Thank you for watching. For more fitness and health content, please hit the like and subscribe button.